From 1973 until today, the Malaysian Timber Industry Board, or MTIB, under the Ministry of Plantation Industries and Commodities, has been the main force in charting the way for Malaysia to be a dynamic, innovative and competitive leader in the world timber industry. MTIB continues in its tireless efforts to make the industry the main contributor to the country's economic development. An estimated value of 20 billion ringgit in yearly exports has proven that MTIB's efforts in accelerating the nation's timber sector are heading in the right direction. A source of greater pride is the fact that MTIB, together with the timber industry, has succeeded in diversifying the country's MTIB product in line with the demands of the global market through the Fibre and Biocomposite Development Centre, FIDEC, in Banting, Selangor. A number of new products have been successfully created through smart partnerships between MTIB and research institutes, institutes of higher education and the timber industry. Knowledge and ideas have merged to produce projects that are in line with the concept from waste to wealth that gives added value to the nation's revenue. This transformation clearly demonstrates how MTIB and the Ministry, through the National Timber Industry Policy, or NATIP, are fully committed in their efforts to empower the Malaysian timber industry.
We are actually exporting 20 billion worth of timber every year. And the National Timber Industry Policy, which took effect in the year 2009 until up to 2020, has envisaged the growth of the timber industry at 6.4%.
Malaysian wood, standing on excellence. In the past, the country's wood products industry consisted more of timber products. But after undergoing an aggressive development phase, the Malaysian Timber Industry Board, or MTIB, has succeeded in creating a paradigm shift in the country's timber sector. Today, wood-based construction is in a class of its own, utilizing local wood that has the necessary endurance and strength to fulfill the needs of the construction sector. Innovative products based on wood engineering such as glulam, laminated veneer lumber and laminated scantling are also being actively introduced in the sector. These product variations have given local companies the creative inspiration to offer even more varieties of choices in the construction sector. Products based on natural materials such as oil palm, kanaf, bamboo and composite materials that are more environment-friendly are beginning to gain attention. The initiatives to advance the use of industrialized building systems (IBS) through R&D, marketing and technological support continues, in line with the government's policy of industrializing the nation's construction sector. The emphasis on design and high-quality finishes, as well as fulfilling the needs of international standards, has placed Malaysia's construction products as among those that have added value and suitable for all kinds of environment and weather. Wood is categorized as a high-performance natural material that has many advantages capable of fulfilling both present and future needs. Malaysian wood, standing on excellence.